why this Faceless TikTok affiliate marketing strategy is better than TikTok Shop affiliate. As you can see over here, right? This is ClickBank, basically affiliate network where you can promote digital and physical products and earn up to 90% affiliate commissions. Now, as you can see over here, right? If I go into TikTok, you'll see, okay, in the last, you can see, week we had 229,000 video views, which is really great on Faceless channel promoting digital products. Because the reason why we are promoting digital products on Faceless TikTok channel is because the payout is instant in the same second and minute. Okay, as you can see over here, our strategy is to run simple $5 to $10 a day TikTok ads, and then for the next few days we let it run to get the data, to get the information, and then for the next week we are not running any ads. So it's free organic traffic from TikTok. As you can see, right, the reason why TikTok Shop is so huge and why TikTok Shop can help you as a ClickBank affiliate as a beginner is because people are already there to buy. Okay, so they're already there to buy, and you don't have to do any persuasion or tricks, okay, or hard sell. No, they're already there to buy, and you have to have the right positioning, the right frame, the right psychology of marketing. And we are doing this one-on-one with our students inside our mentorship program. And you can see over here, right, all this is coming from organic traffic. So you don't have to spend a dime on ads for the following week, and you can still make affiliate commissions on ClickBank. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to put it one-on-one into action before New Year and in 2026, let me know. There's my Instagram, my email, my WhatsApp number, and also my Facebook Messenger. We can connect with me and we can finally get it up and running.